In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Jira. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So first things first, let's dive into the world of Jira. For those who may not be familiar, Jira is a powerful tool designed for project management, tracking issues, and organizing work. One of its great features is the ability to create forms, which can streamline the process of gathering information from your team or stakeholders. Let's go step by step through how to create your very own form in Jira. To get started, you need to log into your Jira account. Just like any other application, you'll want to head to your favorite web browser, type in your Jira URL, and enter your login credentials. If you're having trouble remembering your password, make sure to follow the recovery steps provided on the Jira login page. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard. This is your command center for all things Jira, where you can access your projects and settings. Now, clicking on the Project tab is the next step. This is where all your projects are listed, and you want to find the specific project where you'd like to create your form. Just click on the project name, and it'll take you to the project overview page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to create forms in this project. Otherwise, you might not see the options you're looking for. Once you're in your project, look for a section labeled Forms. Click on that. This is where all of your forms will be housed, including any existing forms and options for creating new ones. If you've never created a form before, you might not see many options here, but that's about to change. Next, you will see a button or option to Create a New Form. Click on that. This will open the Form Creation interface, where you can begin customizing your form according to your needs. Jira provides a simple and intuitive builder where you can add different fields, like text boxes, multiple choice questions, drop-downs, and more. Think about the information you need to gather, be it project updates, feedback, or any specific data. After you're happy with the fields and layout of your form, it's time to review it. You can click on any existing form if you'd like to see how they look or function. This may give you inspiration or help you decide if you want to add any additional fields or change the configuration of what you already built. Now here's a handy tip. If at any point you feel like you need to step back and revisit what you're working on, hit the back button. This can help you navigate without losing your progress. If you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to finalize it. You'll want to click back one last time and voila, your form is ready to go. Check everything to ensure it looks good, and don't forget to conduct a trial run to check that all the functionalities work as expected. Send it to a colleague or two to get feedback. It's essential to ensure that the users find it accessible and easy to fill out. Creating forms in Jira makes tracking information much simpler and allows your team to work more effectively. So whether you are gathering project insights or crafting feedback forms, you're now prepared to utilize Jira's form features to your advantage. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on navigating Jira and making the most of your project management tools. Thanks for watching, and happy form building!